Hi guys, welcome to Distinction Tutorial channel. Here we build to excel. For today's video, here we go. Be prepared and stay focused to grab everything you need to know in this lecture.
Welcome guys. Welcome to the third episode of this topic, logarithm, that we've been discussing quite a while. So I hope the episode we did last, you guys enjoyed it. You're such amazing guy. Now, today we are looking at the logarithm of numbers less than 1. Because we've explained the logarithm of numbers greater than 1 in our last episode. So today, we are going to be looking at how to check the logarithm of numbers less than 1. Whenever you are told that a number is less than 1, example is just that when you're having a 0.157, 0.123, 0.896. This number, you can see them, they are not up to what? They are not up to 1. All these number, they are less than 1. Now, anytime you are given this kind of number, how do you check them on what? On your logarithm table. It's very, very simple. Let me give you an example. Let's take this example number 1 now. You are having a 0.157. How do you check it? Don't forget, your logarithm is always divided into what? Into 2 divisions. We have the characteristic, we have the mantissa. So, how do you get a what? Characteristic. Now, you firstly count the number of decimal points you have. How many decimal places do you have here now? We have 157. Decimal places, they are the numbers after your decimal points. How many numbers do you have after decimal points here? We have 157. You have 3 digits, right? It means you have 3 digits, right? Okay? That 3 digits, you had 1 to it, making what? Making 4. That 4 is your what? Is your characteristic. Now, you know I said earlier that whenever you are doing what? Logarithm of numbers, which is what? Which is less than 1. You have to what? To add negative to your characteristic. We said how many decimal places you have here? We have 3. You had 1 to it, making 4, right? So how do you do it now? You now say you have what? Minus 4 points. But if you want to write it according to the log now, you have to put the negative on it. But we are still coming. Now we have the what? Characteristics as what? Minus 4. Now, how do you get the what? The mantissa now. Our mantissa now will now be what? We have 157. You still now go and check your what? Your mantissa on the what? On the 4 we got table. It's very, very simple. Let's get our common logarithm table ready. This is my own. Can you see it? This is my logarithm table. Can we see it? Logarithm of numbers. Wow. What are we given now? We are given a 0.157. Why? You first go and check 15 under 7. Do you have any number after 7? No. It means you only check 15 under what? 7. Okay, let's go. Where's my 15? This is my 15, right? Under 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can see it now, my 15 under 7 now. 15 under 7, can we see it? That is what? 1959. 1959. Can you see it? This is what? This is my 15 under 7. Can we see it now? 15 under 7. 1959. Wow. That is, your mantissa is what? 1959. Now, you now want to write your what now? You now want to write your log of what? The log of 157 base 10. That will equals to what? That will equals to bar 4.1959. Now, don't forget though, we are now having 157, right? We are having what? 0157. Don't forget to put it there, right? So you're having what? 0.157. But don't forget, if you want to check your what? Your logarithm table, you are going to check 157 on it. But this 0157 is going to have effect on your characteristic part, not on the what? On the mantissa. Is that clear? So we have what? Log 0157 base 10. We give you what? Bar 4.1959. Do we get it? Okay. Now let's look at the second example. Like when you're asked to find the what? The log of what? The log of 0.123 on our logarithm table. Very simple as well. You firstly get your what? Your characteristic. Don't forget, you count the number of decimal number given, decimal places you are having, and you add 1 to it. How many decimal places are we having here? We're having 3 decimal places. You had one to hit. That is our characteristic part. That equals to what now? That equals to what? That equals to -4. The same thing as bar 4. Don't forget. Now, after you get the characteristics now, you move to the what? To the matricial part. And that will be what? And that will be, you check 12 under 3. You neglect that 0 for your what? For your matricial. So let's check 12 under 3 now. How do you check it now? You go to your 4-figure table, right? You check your 12 under what? Your 12 under 0, under 1, under 2, under 3. Don't forget you are going to 12 under 3. That's 0899. Don't forget. The matricial is what? Is 0899. So how do you do it now? You want to combine the characteristics and the matricals together. That is the log of 0.123 base 10 is equals to what? Bar 4.0899. This is the answer for the second question. Let's move to the third question now. The third question is now let's look at this third question now. Looking at this third question given, you are given a 0.8965. Find the antilog of this. Find the logarithm of this 0.865. Okay? Sorry for the mistake, please. Now, we are looking for the 0.8965 under our logarithm. What the first thing for you to do, guys? Find the what? The logarithm 0.8965. You first look at the what? For the characteristic. So, what's our characteristics? You have how many numbers after decimal numbers? You have 4, right? Plus 1, making 5. It means you having what? -5. I hope you get it. -5. That's our what? That's our characteristic. Okay? Now your matricial now. What do you have for it now? You are having your matricial to be what? To be how many numbers? You are having 8965, right? That is, you check for 89. Under 6, difference of what? Difference of 5. Very simple. Let's check for our 89. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the class. Let's check for our 89. 89. These are 89, right? Under 6. This is my 89 under 6. Can you see it, guys? That's what? 9523. Can you see it? 9523. Write it somewhere. Your 9523. Okay, difference what? Difference 5. Don't forget you're under 89. Difference 4, difference 4. That's 2, right? So you add 2 to it. 2. Yeah, now let's add it now. You have 5, you have 2, you have 5, you have 9. So what do you have now? 9525. Now you join it together now. That is the logarithm of what? The log of what? 0.8965 will equals to what? That is about 5.9525. Have a nice day, guys.
Check out the every morning for more learning videos and make sure to subscribe here because learning is always at your doorstep. Just choose physics, chemistry or math, anyone you want.